Kathleen Digo. She's on the way. Next we have Miss Blanca Mercado. There she is, very beautiful. Next we have Miss Nikki Coseteng. Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Also we have Mr. Arnold Vega Fria. Oh, he's outside getting the food. Hello sir, good afternoon. Please give him a big round of applause everyone, Sir Arnold. And of course we have the Eton Properties representatives. Where are you? Please wave your hands. There you go. Good afternoon. Thank you so much for being with us today. And of course, thank you so much for being here and for continuously supporting Blue Water Day Spa. And again, let's give them a big round of applause, everyone. Palakpakan naman natin. Thank you so much. And now, let's welcome the amazing personalities who continue to embody wellness, beauty, balance, and self-care as part of the Blue Water Day Spa family. So these endorsers represent the different ways we can invest in ourselves, from relaxation and wellness to skincare and rejuvenation, making them the perfect faces of the Blue Water Day Spa experience. So let me go over here. Alright. So first up, our very first endorser this afternoon is someone who has become one of the most recognizable and admired personalities of his...
Danny, yes. Maya and Luna, because they're still like learning how to speak. But Danny, yes. Now, Danny, since she's a little bit older, she says to me like, Dada, can we have lunch somewhere and then can we stop at Blue Water? And now, because she's becoming a young lady, she doesn't know. She doesn't really want to come here just for the massages. Now, she's like, Dada, can I also add manicure? Can I also add pedicure? I'm like, oh my God, Diyos ko. This is happening talaga. She's really becoming a binata. So, I mean, it's nice, but as a alaga, but as a, sorry, alaga, but as a father also, I'm like, oh my God, you know, like, it's kind of scary because, you know, you see your little baby becoming a little lady now, right? And, but like I mentioned a while ago, as long as they understand the purpose of being here and the importance of wellness and taking care of yourself and your well-being, for me, that's the most important right now as a father.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go. Thank you so much for the question. Now let's have another one. Thank you.
Yeah, just a follow-up for Fabio. Since you mentioned the importance of wellness, no? How do you find time, especially in your busy schedule, to bond with your family, your kids, and your wife?
Well, you mean here in Blue Water or overall?
Overall.
Well, I think despite of our hectic schedules, family for me is everything. I think that's how we Brazilians and Filipinos, we kind of connect so much. We're very family oriented and we know the importance of family and the importance, of course, for me as a father to be present, to be there for them. So, and this is just something that when I am with my family, just keep me grounded, you know, and it kind of reminds me the importance of just being there for them and the time and the responsibility that I have as a father for providing, not just financially, but also with my time and teaching all the values that we had growing up as a child myself before. So yeah, it's just strengthen up the bonding that we have with them, you know, and especially with Ellen as well. Now she's not my girlfriend anymore, she's my fiance. Wow, palakpak everybody! Woohoo!
Let's go.
Don't ask me the date of the wedding, we still don't know, pero itutuloy sana next year, di ba, babe? Yeah? Dito sa Blue Water, oh!
Here.
Hindi, joke lang. So, but yeah, you know, it just really like, you just have to make time and you just have to really be present, I would say.
Thank you.
Yeah, another
Thank you.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay. For David, David, looking back dun sa naging journey mo sa ilang years mo sa entertainment industry, ano yung mako-consider mo rewarding talaga sa naging growth mo both sa career and personal life?
Too good to be true. So I was really awestruck, and now I'm so happy. I believe 21 years na, no, in here in the Philippines. 21 years going strong. So as you can see, tumatagal talaga kapag alam mo quality ang services. So they make sure that they always provide the best services. Their masseuses, their therapists, lahat sila well-trained, and you always leave Blue Water Day Spa with a smile and with no more stress, di ba? Yung stress levels mo nawala na talaga. So I think that's, for me, I just always have a great time. I always associate coming here to parang nagka-retreat ako, wellness retreat, na without having to go so far, di ba? Hindi mo naman kailangan mag-abroad para makapagpahinga. Andito lang siya. And you can spend the whole day here doing, as you mentioned, so many services, not just massages, they also have like for the girlies, pwede mo pa nails din dito, and may mga treatments also for the face and the body, may mga scrubs din. So yun, bonding namin ni Mother. Ayan. Kung wala lang work mamaya ito, may appointment ka, di ba? Sabi ko, buti ka pa. So we will schedule ours bukas, di ba? So yeah, I'm really so happy. I really am such a massage girly. So sobrang happy ko talaga. Yes!
Very good.
Thank you.
Follow-up question lang, ano yung favorite na service ni Mommy?
Si Mother. Pareho kaming mahilig sa heart massage. So, si Mommy mahilig sa mga deep tissue or even sports massage. Kasi siya ang aking all-around momager. And syempre, aside from being with Sparkle, siya talaga ang ang aking Kris Jenner. So, sports niya ako. So, sports massage, bagay din sa kanya.